Come on. There you go. Yeah. Keep coming. Keep coming. If you keep moving, you'll be done faster.
We're getting frustrated. Is that grass itchy?
She really hates the grass, doesn't she?
Yeah.
You can do it, Evelyn. There you go. More.
This takes much strength.
Come here. Come here. Right here. Right to here. Straight to here. Yeah, you're gonna lean out and grab my hands, aren't you? Come on, right here, right here. You wanna stand up now? Come on.
Good job, Evelyn. Good
Other hand.
job. Yeah,
Is that
job well
better?
done.